So hey, what's up guys, and in this video we are going to look at the Google camera for the Redmi 2. Now this is not so specific to Redmi 2, but I'm using the Redmi 2, so it's working on it. So it's probably working on any Android device out there with low quality photos. So the reason behind the low quality photo is the image processing is not good by the camera, and OEMs don't pressure or don't take pain to make it good. So we are going to take some pain and make it really good. Now looking at the Google camera, you can see it is working, and it is not by the Google, it is modded by some developer. I know him, so the name will be there on the home screen. Sorry for the disturbance, someone is there. So you can see I just display the name of the developer. Thanks to him for providing this APK. He's also adding this APK to the Pixel Experience ROM in the next update, and Pixel Experience going to be amazing in the next update as per as him. So the front camera is working with it, the image or camera is working normally, and video recording is working as well. It is a 4.1 version, so yeah, there's a lens flow option, photosphere, and the panorama. It's working fine. No portrait mode, don't expect it, because it is really hard to bring the portrait mode on the Redmi 2. So that's a very small video, and you can grab the link in the description for the camera itself. And if you have any issue, just comment down below, and yeah, I will see you in the next video. And also the Lineage OS review is coming very soon, so stay tuned and stay subscribed. And yeah, I will see you in the next video. Peace.